Identify the reactants and products of the molecular reaction. Lithium metal, Li, reacts with liquid water, H2O, to produce aqueous lithium hydroxide, LiOH, and hydrogen gas, H2. The balanced molecular equation for this reaction is 2Li plus 2H2O gives 2LiOH plus H2. Classify each reactant and product to determine if it dissociates. In net ionic equations, soluble strong electrolytes, like strong bases and highly soluble ionic salts, are written in their dissociated ionic forms, while solids, liquids, gases, and weak electrolytes are kept in their undissociated molecular forms. Li, a solid metal element, so it is kept in its metallic solid form. Li, H2O, a pure molecular liquid and very weak electrolyte, so it is kept in its molecular liquid form. H2O, LiOH, a strong base and highly soluble ionic compound, meaning it completely dissociates in water into its aqueous ions. 2Li to the power plus 2OH to the power negative. H2. A molecular gas, so it is kept in its molecular gas form. H2. Write the total ionic equation. Substitute the dissociated forms of the strong electrolytes back into the balanced molecular equation. 2Li plus 2H2O gives 2Li to the power plus 2OH to the power negative plus H2. Identify and remove spectator ions. Spectator ions are ions that appear in identical forms on both the reactant side and the product side of the equation. Since there are no free ions on the reactant side to cancel out, there are no spectator ions in this reaction. Confirm mass and charge balance for the final equation. The resulting net ionic equation is 2Li plus 2H2O gives 2Li to the power plus 2OH to the power negative plus H2. Mass check. There are 2Li, 4H, and 2O atoms on both sides. Charge check. The net charge on the reactant side is 0, and the net charge on the product side is also 0. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 equals 0. This confirms that option B is the correct, balanced net ionic equation. The correct answer is option B. 2Li plus 2H2O gives 2Li plus 2OH minus plus H2.